The 6 areas of mathematics that we will deal with in Maths with Marty are: 1. Number. This section forms the foundation for all subsequent sections, and it has to be broad and strong so that you can build on it with confidence. All of the material in this section should have been dealt with before grade 11, so it can be skipped. But if you struggle with latter sections, your problem probably lies here. We start with the different number systems that make up the real numbers and then progress to the basic rules for calculations in each of these systems, like the sign rules for the integers and rules for adding, multiplying, and dividing fractions or rational numbers. The second area is algebra, which is all about doing maths with variables, usually x and y. Algebra is used extensively in all the subsequent sections. Here you will learn about the actions simplify, factorize, and solve. I also place number patterns, quadratic, linear, and exponential, in this section, though it may be grouped under number. In algebra, we will establish general rules for calculations involving exponents and surds, and we look at functions and their graphs. This section also deals with quadratic theory, function inverses, and polynomial theory. Area 3 is financial mathematics, where we deal with the formulae for simple and compound interest, the relationship between nominal and effective interest rates, different types of depreciation, annuities, and sinking funds. The fourth area is calculus, which involves finding the derivative of an expression or function and using this to calculate the gradients, maxima and minima, as well as stationary or turning points of their graphs. It is also used for drawing or interpretation of cubic functions. Area 5 comprises shape. In this area, we deal with 3 main subsections. Firstly, Euclidean geometry, which involves theorems and problems on triangles, quadrilaterals, and circles. Secondly, coordinate geometry, where we use the Cartesian plane and algebra to do geometry. And thirdly, trigonometry or triangle theory, where we use the sine, cosine, and tangent functions. Trigonometry is very rich in theory that must be memorized, so we will use mnemonics and other learning tricks to make this easy and fun. The 6th and last area is probability and statistics, the mathematics of data and prediction. Here we deal with measures of centrality like the mean, mode, and median, or the different quartiles, and also measures of spread like standard deviation. We will learn about ways to represent data graphically and methods of curve fitting. And lastly, we will study probability and counting rules. And that's the whole course. Enjoy!